And it will show you the cable. This is the JDC 505A. I'm gonna make sure you have it on the proposal. If you don't have a direct connection and you, as emergency, you need to work on an equipment, you can do so by using the multi-pins. Here it gives you the instructions on which jack and which pins to use in order to connect to that equipment. I know that there's a couple maybe that might not have a multi-pin instruction, but overall you can always connect using it. And you can do the fault for reading. You can hear the faults. Let's take a look at the fault examples. Here you have this. So on the left there's the number, and in the middle the description. This sign, you can see the freeze frame data, so you know when the fault happened and the timing too. And also, depending on the brand and model in our coverage, you might have the technical data right from here. Takes you directly and also shows you the wiring diagram directly from here, or you might have troubleshooting instructions for that particular fault. Now here is the system checks option. So you do have the cylinder cutout, also the injector bus test, intake and exhaust system, injector timing rail pressure, PRV, cooling system after treatment, fuel metering, engine exhaust gas temperature, and operation test of the particular filter regen. So I will show you a little bit more on this. Here's where you can modify the values, the RPM. And there are different levels for these operation tests. You got a level 4 right there, level 1. And then the process is finished and it's done. So there's a little bit on the system checks. On the parameters, you do have the injector coding. Here's an overview, a picture, and also the pinouts. You can zoom it right here. You can modify the engine speed for the injector coding. And you do your modifications right there. Here you select which injector and so on and so on. Also, you'll find the maintenance option inside the engine, and there's the EGR valve, injector throttle valve, recovery process of the after treatment system. Let's check that. There it's doing the performance test we did before, and now it's doing the control on the exhaust gas temperature. And then it's completed. Now all of this information you get at the end of this maintenance, you're gonna receive it on the final report at the after each diagnostics. So you'll have that in hand too. So the final results on that maintenance. Here's the turbocharger. And you can modify here the loss and the engine speed. This is the final report you get after each diagnostics. You can add comments, you can even add pricing if you're in service. And you can also print this as a PDF, save it. And there's all the information regarding the maintenance and the transmissions, everything we worked on. If you select any light data, it's going to show it here too.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.